To use the Direct Express mobile app 5332, start by downloading and installing the app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and select the language you prefer to use. You will then be prompted to log into your account using your user ID and password. If you do not have an account, you can create one by selecting the Register option and following the prompts. After logging in, you will see the home screen which displays your account balance and transaction history. From here, you can navigate to different sections of the app by selecting the menu option. The menu allows you to view your account activity, transfer funds, and find nearby ATMs. To view your account activity, select the Account Activity option from the menu. This will take you to a screen that displays all of your recent transactions, including deposits and withdrawals. You can use the filters at the top of the screen to narrow down the transactions by date or type. To transfer funds, select the Transfer option from the menu. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer in the recipient's account. Information. Make sure to double-check the recipient's information to ensure the funds are sent to the correct account. To find nearby ATMs, select the ATM Locator option from the menu. This will use your device's location to find ATMs near you that accept Direct Express cards. You can filter the results by distance or location to find the most convenient ATM. Best practices for using the Direct Express mobile app include regularly checking your account balance and transaction history to ensure there are no unauthorized transactions. You should also keep your login credentials secure and never share them with anyone. Additionally, make sure to log out of the app when you are finished using it to prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely use the Direct Express mobile app 5332 to manage your account and access your funds on the go. The app is a convenient and user-friendly tool that allows you to take control of your finances and stay on top of your account activity.